Today, I'll show you how to compress PDF files for free. JOPDF is a lightweight, all-in-one PDF editor that is completely free to use. It supports Windows, macOS, and Linux, making it accessible across all major platforms. You can easily edit, convert, and manage your PDF files with no registration, no login, and no watermarks. Now, let's download and install JOPDF from the official website. Once installed, open the software to get started. After opening JOPDF, you will see the main interface. On the left side navigation menu, click on Convert. Under the Convert section, find and select Compress PDF. This will open the compression workspace. Next, click to add your file, or simply drag and drop the PDF you want to compress into the window. Once your file is loaded, you will see the compression options. Choose your preferred compression level, high, medium, or low. After that, confirm your output location, or keep it as the same folder as the source file. Finally, click the Start button to begin compression. JOPDF will process your file in a few seconds, depending on the file size. Once completed, your compressed PDF will be ready to use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more useful JOPDF tips.